Pibaro ginigilongi kubor bam dagasngi. Ka cabinet jungka sorkar Meghalaya ka santrik rimpang kala menjuri ka jingpynkylla amendment ha ka Meghalaya outstanding sport person direct appointment policy ong umtu rangba ka jila u konrad ki sangma haba grand chikilat pathai kubor hadian ka jingelang. Menteri Rangba ulo ong bagani ka polisi la Wanrah dang kumban riu la ni nyo benai menswa hendai la don kamban penrungi ki katu kat ni ki jingpynkylla ki beren hendai ki ba ai jingerap shibo ni ki jingyo jingerap jungkinong ile kai ki jingpynkylla ki long tang ki beren hendai kin long ha ki jingyo benta jung ki sport person ulo ong la menjeru ye ki draft service rules ka cabinet kala menjeru ye ki draft Meghalaya outstanding sports person direct appointment service rules ban penshai bat ban penbet ye ku kam pentrekam ya kini ka policy konrat sangma ula batai ba hapo kini ki rules on sa thau ka special cadre category na benta ki outstanding sports person ki ba job medal ha ki jingele kai bala benta kerpang kum ka Olympics, National Games, South Asian Games ula penshai bagani kam tray kam habaro ki jinge ko bendoi tang hakat tu kat ni ki jingele kai bala itu recognized tournaments ka special cadre ban om kta ikiwi pat kinong tray sorkar u menteri rangba lo ong baga jing thau ye ka separate cadre kan yarap ban om pen kulmar ye ka service lane jingyo jingerap jingwi pat kinong tray sorkar Kakedan kabla ai shiki sport person kan sakut no onda ubri usyong than retired knang bakan om Wanrah jing penthut hagi promotion bat jingyat bat ba jung kitna trekam kajinge penshai halor ka R% reservation na benta ki sport person ka cabinet kala penshai ru ya krukam certification na benta ka R% reservation quota jong ki sport person hagi thungkam sorkar Konrad sang maulo ong bemenshala judan jingya kulmar halor ka jingkeli mano ban certified ya ki sport person. Ki ki jingele kai bala itu mentala rai baka sport department ling baka directorate kan ai ka certificate ling baka online application process. Ki sport person ki bere hok kinyo ka certificate banna apply hapo ka art person quota ka jingye penkelag ha FRBM Act katkum ka 15 Finance Commission. Menteri Rangba ulo ong ba katkum ka jing ai jingmot jing ka 15 Finance Commission na sha ikijila banshim ya ka 0.5% additional fiscal deficit space ka ba penkiu ya ka limit shalai 0.1%. Namar kata man na usnem ka jila ka haban penkala ya ka fiscal responsibility but budget management FRBM Act banna ban pentrekam ya ka ni ka jingyo benta.
We have also cleared today the approval for the amendment of the Meghalaya Outstanding Sportsmen's Direct Appointment Policy. As you're aware, we had come out with this decision about 6-7 months back, and we felt that there were certain amendments, very minor amendments that were made, which would go in favor of the sports persons. So small amendments have been made in the policy. At the same time, in continuation with that, we have also come out with approval for the draft Meghalaya Outstanding Sportsmen's Direct Appointment Service Rules. So the rules have also been approved so that this can go ahead. And basically, we have decided that we will come out with a special cadre in this case, in a nutshell. A special cadre will be there where those who get the medals in those specific tournaments that we've mentioned, like Olympics or the national games, South Asian games. So there are few selected games which are categorized. So this does not apply to all, as you all know. It's not that every single championship this applies to. It applies to the recognized games. There are 6 of them. So based on that, whoever gets a medal, and based on the medal, a certain category will be given. And we have decided, as I said, in order to ensure that there is no effect in the service of other employees and the staff in the departments, that there will be a special category that will be created. A cadre will be created for the sports person, outstanding sports person, and it will be as per the individual, and that post, of course, will discontinue once the person retires. So that will ensure that we give the post to the person, as well as we ensure that there is no disturbance in the approve the promotions and other things for the other other staff of the departments. So these rules were made today. Were passed today in the cabinet. Another thing we have also today clarified is that basically, as you're aware, that there is a 2% reservation for sports persons in the reservation policy. And in the past, there was always a confusion as to who will certify these sports persons and how will they certify, and who are recognized, who are not recognized. So today we have come out with a small rules and process under which the sports persons 2% category will be certified by the sports department, by the directorate, and it's an online application the sports persons have to give. And once they give that application, a set certificate will be given to all eligible individuals, so that with that certificate they're able to apply for this 2% sports person category reservation, because it was not there earlier. Also, as per the 15th Finance Commission's rules, or rather the recommendations, as you are aware, that an additional 0.5% of debt to GSDP ratio was allowed to be taken up in the fiscal deficit of 3.5% was allowed. I stand corrected. Physical deficit of 3.5% was allowed. So therefore, every year, every state government has to pass this. The Fiscal Responsibility Budget Management Act has to be amended so that it allows the particular state to take that 0.5% additional amount. As I said, this is for the whole country. Every state is allowed, and this has been allowed by the Finance Commission. So based on that, this year also, we are amending that. So that was one of the agendas that was taken up. And of course, this will be placed in the Assembly, for approval. Then we also today, of course, have cleared the Governor's address, which will be given by the Honorable Governor on the 16th of February. And the Cabinet has gone through the document and the speech, and it has been approved today by the Cabinet. These were the discussions that we had today in the Cabinet. Apart from that,